Asociación Internacional de Comercio y Negocios, asesor de la Asociación Estadounidense de Marketing, la Asociación Nacional de Gestión de Productos y la Cruz Roja Estadounidense. Recibamos a Jeremy Madvin.
Hi, everyone. I'm Jeremy, Product Development Specialist, and it's truly a privilege to be with you here today, virtually anyway. I've been working for Nikon for over 20 years, and today I'm going to dive into the far infrared technology that supports a few of Nikon's new products. My objective is to give you a comfortable foundation of the mechanics behind Nikon's far infrared, because this technology is remarkable, and so many of Nikon's products were designed to leverage this technology to make us look, feel, and live better. Now, this subject can get a little complicated. I'm going to focus on the basics, what far infrared is, why it matters, and how Nikon has built this unusual technology into some of its core products, including its newest skincare devices. There's one thing that we can all be sure about. Life is energy. We're all made of energy, and energy makes up and defines just about everything in our environment. Some of this energy is good, some bad, some we can perceive, some not. But every day we're hit with many different types of energy and trillions, literally 12 trillions of different wavelengths. Now, you hear this word wavelengths often, but many people don't really know what it actually means. Energy travels in waves. These waves are similar to ocean waves in the sense that there are peaks and valleys. A wavelength is simply the distance between the two peaks of the wave. The wavelength, while it may seem like a small detail, actually defines the energy. Longer wavelengths we can hear, shorter wavelengths we can see. Very short wavelengths like UV or X-ray can be useful, but some are known to be dangerous if we're overexposed. I'll start with my favorite metaphor. We've all seen a musical tuning fork. Guitar or violin players can use it to tune their strings, or piano players can use it to tune their keys. Well, imagine a musical tuning fork tuned at B flat. It doesn't matter if you hit it with plastic or metal or rocks. You can kick it, you can throw it, it always comes out B flat. Nikon's far infrared material does the same thing, only it uses these different energies around us. It absorbs all of the energy from the electromagnetic spectrum, the radio waves from your cell phone, the infrared from our bodies, the UV from the sun. It converts this energy into a healthy energy called far infrared. It literally absorbs all of these different wavelengths and converts around 90% of them to a specific length, 4 to 24 micron waves, to be precise. Now, we've all been to the doctor's office and had an X-ray to see what's going on with the inside of our body, with our bones. Most of us have microwave ovens at home to cook with. An X-ray machine makes X-rays. That's all it does. A doctor plugs this machine into the wall. It's the machine's job to convert this electricity into X-ray. Microwave ovens make microwaves. That's pretty much all this machine does. You plug it into the wall, the electricity runs through the machine, it produces microwaves. These machines are nothing but converters, and electricity is the fuel. Now, Nikon has a machine that makes far infrared. This is what the machine looks like. There's a little clip, and it works using the energy from around us, all of the energy from the electromagnetic spectrum, the radio waves, including those given off from your cell phones, and Wi-Fi, the UV, the microwaves, the infrared. Turning these energies into far infrared is what this machine does. It's all this machine does. It does it safely. It does it consistently. It's durable. It's like nothing you've ever seen. To those of us that are involved in the development, this material really is somewhat of a miracle. Now, picture this. Each of Nikon's products that offer far infrared have thousands, hundreds of thousands of these little machines inside of them, making far infrared all day, making far infrared all night. These products were designed to fit in the palm of your hand. Many of them, most of them, were designed to be small and compact. They're powered only by the energy given to us by our environment and by our own bodies. No electricity, no batteries, but the energy, but only the energy that comes from our body and from the environment. Just think about that. Just think about the relevance of that. As a world leader in far infrared, Nikon has been researching far infrared applications for decades. We now know that infrared, far infrared in particular, not only has tremendous effects on our overall health and wellness, but on the facial area and for our skin health specifically. When far infrared rays penetrate the skin, they come into contact with proteins and collagen and fat and water molecules. By causing micro vibrations, far infrared causes a thermal reaction, which increases tissue temperatures. Our bodies react by dilating blood vessels. Tissues are revitalized because of the improved localized circulation. The obvious part is that far infrared can help us because it helps dilate the capillaries. It increases the size of our capillaries to allow blood to move faster and cover more area. When blood moves faster, oxygen and nutrients are delivered to the cells faster. Our skin can simply maintain and repair itself better, faster. It also helps us flush out toxins better. I think we all know the benefits of improving detoxification, especially when it comes to the skin. The biggest point here is that far infrared is a type of sustenance for our cells. Not much different than food or water. It's not like harmful UV. The far infrared is literally among the safest energies known to help excite electrons in all animals, including us. If you spend too much time indoors, you probably don't get enough of this. And sometimes it can be obvious. Sometimes you can just look at someone and know that they've just been spending too much time inside, out of the reach of the sun and out of the reach of far infrared. Now, this is a video taken using one of Nikon's far infrared products. The difference shown in blood behaviors after only 15 minutes, about 15 minutes of using Nikon's product in a controlled setting. I want to be very clear here. What you're seeing in the first clip is stagnant, more clustered blood. In the second video, what you see is a much healthier flow of blood, properly working to deliver nutrients and oxygen necessary to maintain proper skin health and flush out toxins. Nikon has many far infrared products that are available and has mastered developing these products in different forms. Nikon makes garments and support wraps and jewelry, duct tape, shampoo and conditioner, the Fear Stone. Nikon can make far infrared products in virtually any form. And as we continue to research far infrared, we learn more and more, faster and faster. Now, we know that our skin has an unquestionable dependency on far infrared. At the risk of repeating myself, I want to mention the benefits of the benefits that far infrared has on the skin. Blood is responsible for carrying food to the skin cells in the form of oxygen and nutrients. In addition to delivering nutrition to the cells, blood flow also helps carry away waste products, including free radicals from working cells. When blood circulation is poor, an inadequate flow of blood to a particular area of the body can result in too little substance being delivered. In the face, when circulation is poor, blood may not reach the outermost layers of the skin, leaving you with a dull or ashy or sickly complexion. We've all seen this. Proper blood flow is simply and, in fact, required to properly maintain and repair damaged skin. I'm going to spend just a minute on anions or negative ions. Anions are different than far infrared, obviously, but I think that this is important to mention when discussing skincare. Again, this is an area of research that's accelerating very quickly. The skin can absorb around 85% of the negative ions that it comes into contact with. The negative ions function as antioxidants, stabilizing free radicals in the skin cell. They're actually very helpful in the area of anti-aging. They help prepare the skin for damaged skin cells to better repair. Anions help protect proteins and structural elements, thus protecting against collagen degradation. They reduce acne-causing microbes. They promote better intake of skin serums and nutrients. They promote better cleansing, and they smooth the rough texture of the skin. The reason I bring this up is because Nikon's new skincare products help deliver not only far infrared to the skin, but anions as well, negative ions as well. It's this combination of technologies that offer short-term and long-term benefits. So the first product I get to talk about is Nikon's new Fierce Skin Roller. Like Nikon's famous Fierce Stone, the Fierce Skin Roller is made from 100% far infrared material and is strong. There's nothing else like it out there. This is a demonstration of course, Nikon's pure far infrared material has a great demonstration showing how well it conducts and converts energy into far infrared. This is no ordinary stone, no ordinary ceramic. Again, it pulls energy from wherever it can find it and converts this energy into far infrared. Now, it bears mentioning that one of the biggest problems with many of the face rollers on the market is the bacteria can hide in the pores of the roller and get transferred to your skin. We make this product using a new and extraordinarily high-tech manufacturing process, reducing the pore size to microscopic. It includes two different size rollers to fit the contours on different areas of the face. This roller helps skincare products work more effectively, work more efficiently, and through deeper layers of the skin. It increases blood flow much longer than the massage itself. Long term, or over time, when this roller is used consistently, it can make the capillaries respond better and faster to mechanical and thermal stimulation. And a great trick for using this product is to start with a cold. You can put it in the refrigerator, put it in the freezer. It's perfectly safe. When it's used cold, it'll open up the pores, allowing for ingredients to penetrate better. Then when it reaches skin temperature, the far infrared starts to do its job by dilating the capillaries for speedy delivery to the cells. It causes something called the pump effect. And the results of this process can be really, really dramatic. Nikon's next skincare product, the Fierce Skin Cleanser, is dedicated to deep, gentle, and thorough skin cleansing and detoxification. It's simply the best on the market. And the reasons for this are simple. Besides offering very strong far infrared emission, it also has a patented design that creates a tremendous encapsulated sudsing and negative ion production. It not only helps your cleansing needs work better and deeper, but it moves the entire cleansing towards the category of skin purification. Nikken uses superior grade silicone with micropores. So again, there's virtually no transfer of unwanted bacteria to the skin. Now, we've designed an advanced integrated circuit that tells you every 15 seconds when to change to a new area of the face. It's safe, it's easy to use, and perhaps the most effective cleansing tool of its kind. Now, we found that after using, literally 100% of the people testing this product found it to be just extraordinary. It really, really makes a difference in proper skincare. Nikken sets the standard in global innovation. I think you'll find that these two new products to be game changers in the arena of skincare. They're safe, they're cost effective, they're incredibly high performance, and you're going to want to try these, and you're definitely going to see results. Thanks again, and God bless.
Cada día estás expuesto a múltiples estímulos que pueden afectar el bienestar de tu piel. Contaminación ambiental, rayos ultravioleta y el estrés. Sin embargo, tu ritmo de vida no puede detenerse y el cuidado de tu piel no puede esperar. Lisette Durán es presentadora de televisión y cada día recibe el impacto del exceso de maquillaje, la exposición a las luces artificiales y un ritmo de vida acelerado.
Después de un largo día, lo mejor es hacer una pausa para cuidar de ti. Elige una rutina que te ayude a cuidar de tu piel, que te apoya a contrarrestar los efectos nocivos de la contaminación, del maquillaje, de las luces artificiales y del estrés. Yo elijo para el bienestar de mi piel el True Elements Fair Skin Cleanser de Nikken. Primero retiro el maquillaje de mi rostro. Luego, con mi limpiador facial favorito, retiro el excedente de maquillaje, las impurezas generadas por el sudor, las luces artificiales, el smog y el uso prolongado de la mascarilla. Sin embargo, esta limpieza no es suficiente. Para lograr una verdadera limpieza, utilizo mi True Elements Fair Skin Cleanser de Nikken, que emite vibraciones sutiles para una limpieza profunda.
El limpiador facial True Elements Fair Skin Cleanser cuenta con tecnología de iones negativos que brinda un suave masaje relajante, mientras su exclusivo diseño con aro de infrarrojo lejano ayuda a eliminar la suciedad y las toxinas de la piel para una reconfortante sensación de bienestar.
Y para finalizar, no hay nada como tener los beneficios de un spa en casa con el rodillo facial True Elements Fair Skin Roller de Nikken, exclusivo con infrarrojo lejano para una experiencia de bienestar y relajación en tu rostro. Cuido mi rostro con True Elements Fair Skin de Nikken. Limpieza, relajación y equilibrio para la piel.
Bienvenidos a la comunidad más grande de bienestar. Por favor, démosle la bienvenida a Gustavo Gómez, director general para Nikken Latinoamérica, y a Jennifer Figueroa, directora comercial para Nikken Latinoamérica.